On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss the SAS syntax and SCSS syntax. We will explain in detail the differences between the SAS and SCSS syntaxes, and provide concrete examples to deepen your understanding. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. SAS is a stylesheet language designed to extend the capabilities of CSS. SAS has two syntaxes. These are the SAS syntax and the SCSS syntax. The SAS syntax is written as follows. An indentation-based syntax that does not use curly braces, or semicolons. It is designed to write concise and easy-to-read code. The file extension is SAS. The SCSS syntax is written as follows. A syntax similar to CSS, using curly braces and semicolons. Highly compatible with existing CSS code, allowing CSS to be converted directly into an SCSS file. The file extension is SCSS. Which one to use depends on the needs of the project and the team. The SAS syntax allows you to write concise and clean code. If the entire team is familiar with SAS syntax, it is a suitable choice. If compatibility with CSS is important and many team members are familiar with CSS, SCSS syntax is more suitable. The following are common advantages of both SAS and SCSS syntax. Use of variables. By using variables, you can define a style in one place and reuse it in multiple locations. Design changes can be applied across the board by simply changing the variable values, improving maintainability. Mixins. Mixins allow you to group styles or vendor-prefixed code that are used repeatedly in multiple places and apply them flexibly using arguments. This reduces code duplication and improves maintainability. Nested rules. By using nesting, you can write styles hierarchically following the HTML structure, making it easier to group related rules. This improves both code readability and maintainability. Inheritance. By using inheritance, you can group and reuse common styles. This reduces code duplication and maintains a consistent design. Choosing between SAS and SCSS depends on the developer's preference and the project requirements. The SAS syntax emphasizes simplicity, while the SCSS syntax emphasizes CSS compatibility. Both syntaxes are powerful and can greatly enhance CSS productivity. Choosing the most suitable option for your project allows for efficient stylesheet management. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out our new videos.